Is 20-year home improvement lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery. Kathryn, we've had you in studio before. We miss you.
Hi. I know, Paula, Joanna, how are you? I mean, like you said, though, I miss you guys too, but because I know you would be playing with a lot of these tools.
Right.
I had so many things. You know, like you said, though, it's so easy. And the first thing we need to do, as we all know, is look outside, right? Fall is the time when you're supposed to trim those trees, cut back those bushes, and clear the yard of all those leaves and debris so you can go into winter there in Denver, and fall and then winter in Denver. So I have with me today, I'm so excited about this. This is called Green Machine. So this is professional power, no gas. It's a new exclusive line at homedepot.com. I love it because you got low noise, zero emissions, high performing 62 volt. It's got a rapid charger. It's going to last anywhere from 45 minutes to 2 hours. I don't know if you can hear around me right now, but there's like 3 professional gardeners going, so I'm going to maybe gift this to them afterwards. But see, they've got, so for those larger limbs, they've got a great chainsaw. It's got a 16-inch auto tensioning chain. What that means to you and me is it adjusts automatically, so you're going to get a cleaner, safer cut on those large limbs or fallen logs. Then they've got this leaf blower. It goes up to 120 miles per hour on turbo, but look at how lightweight it is. I love it. I use it to clean all sorts of things, my stoop and everything, right? And then this hedge trimmer is a 25-inch hedge trimmer, double-sided blade, 1-inch cuts. It's got a rotating handle, so at the push of a button. So you get the gist. It's basically all powered on this 62 volt, and you can find it at homedepot.com. But get professional and get quiet. And I love no emissions, don't you? Cleaner air, too.
That's great. Yeah, and it's funny, every time we see you, Kathryn, you've got these power tools.
You got something big going with a big motor.
But these are nice and quiet. I mean, that is incredible, and the low emissions. Now, let's talk about weather and saving money and energy as well, because we got to keep warm, but, you know, we still got to save the money.
Of course, and especially there in Denver, Colorado, and all throughout Colorado. So insulation is a big part of home energy savings because it's high performing and cost effective. And I don't know if you know, but fiberglass insulation, it's a solid option because it slows the spread of heat, cold, and even sound. Isn't that amazing? Yes. So it literally traps it in these pockets here. So this is Owens Corning Pink. They just invented this fiberglass. It's pink next gen. So it's super easy to install. It feels as soft as cotton. It's made with ingredients that are naturally fire resistant. They don't support mold growth. No formaldehyde or fire retardants are added to this fiberglass. And it's super easy to install. I mean, I had to wear my pink to match the pink today too, right? But I mean, you think about it, it's so easy. Owens Corning invented the pink fiberglass, and it can save you up to 15% on your energy bills because HVAC is a really big consumer of that. So just a great thing to think about.
That's great. All right, on to cleaning. Well, Paula loves to clean.
I love to clean.
I like to clean too. But is there something that you have for us that's going to do all the work and we don't have to?
Okay, Joanna, we're going to convince you. Paula, you're probably picking up what I'm putting down here because I am a total geek. I believe in microfiber, and here is why. Unlike standard cotton cloths and paper towels that just push the dirt around, the microfiber actually acts as a magnet and removes that dirt and debris. So these are quickie job site microfiber cloths. I find them at Home Depot. You can use them everywhere. So kitchen, bath, windows, they work wonders on windows and mirrors, car, patio. But they're these little tiny like fiber-like hairs. They're smaller than human hair, looped thousands of times, that really actually remove it. They're great they're super absorbent for spills. I love it too, because you can wash them and use them over and over again.
Exactly.
So again, I love that they're better. Do you own these? I mean, Paul, I'm sure you have these. Joanna, I'm sending you a pack.
I have a set of them. You know, you got to keep them rotating between the washing
need
machine
10
and the
packs.
dryers.
Can you send 10 packs, Kathryn?
But the beautiful thing, no, Joanna, you can wash them and use them over and over
That's
again.
true.
They're
go to
amazing.
Home Depot, grab a pack, the big yellow bag. It's awesome. I know.
Really
I'm such
quickly
a geek.
before we go, I want you to give the light bulb suggestions in there because you got some good ones.
I will make this super quick. So this is Sylvania True Wave Natural LED. Everybody wants light as close as you can get to the natural sunlight, and these will give it to you because they reduce unnecessary blue light. And you don't realize it, but that blue light suppresses melatonin, so it affects your sleeping, and it can create a glare, so it's harder for your eyes. So look for this true wave Sylvania. And I love it. Who doesn't want light as close as you can get to the natural sunlight? Better for putting on your makeup, better for everyday tasks around the house, relaxing. Just a great light bulb to bring that natural sunlight in all year long.
Oh, we got to say, Kathryn, you are a bright light yourself. We love having you on Colorado.
She always brings it. And she matches all of her products, even in the pink.
Who wore it best?
She's going to have a dress next time made of the fiberglass pink, you know?
And we look forward to it, girl. Thank you so much.
You guys are the best.
Thank you so much for joining us, and we're going to go to a break.